Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another weekly Liv video. Okay, so it's an exciting day because I'm giving blood today, but it's also a terrifying day because I'm giving blood today. So I keep getting these waves of like immense regret, nausea, sickness, terror, because I'm not afraid of blood tests, but I'm not that great with them, and you guys are probably like, Olivia, then why are you giving blood? Well, I'm giving blood because I've always wanted to give blood, but I've been too afraid. And the last time that I went and got a blood test, I actually watched the blood like be sucketh from my veins. So I think I'm over my fear, but then at the same time, I don't think I am. But who cares? I'm going at 150 and that's that. So before I do that, I want to show you guys my new Gorilla Pod. Corpy got me this for Christmas. And I'm about to get it out of the bag to use it to vlog, so I just wanted to show you guys before I grab it out of the box. So this is a Gorilla Pod that he got me. It's by Joby. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say about it. There's the back. I'm very, very excited. Yeah, let's pop it open and pop it on. So my chicken there with a little bit of cheese, a little bit of sour cream, and then look at these freaking chips. Oh, so much flavor. So excited. That's my lunch. I did it. I did the blood donation. I'll give you guys a full rundown later, but right now I'm cooking dinner. Olivia from the future here. I'm actually just editing this vlog right now, and I just wanted to come in here because I didn't actually talk at all about my blood test. I just wanted to come in really quickly and explain to you guys the process. So obviously I booked my appointment online, but you can also just show up if you see that there's a blood drive near you. So I went to a blood drive, not to like a clinic, and it was there for 2 days. I booked it online, went in, filled out some forms, gave them my ID, and then basically the whole like process from like filling out papers to leaving was about 1 hour. And I had a little interview where they checked my hemoglobin levels, which is basically like whether or not you're iron deficient. I had to wait again, and then I went ahead and sat in the chair. It was like 10 people giving blood at once, so it's kind of like a bit of a weird experience. It was not what I was expecting, but everything was fine. So I sat down and they mapped out which vein they wanted to use. They ended up using the one in my right arm, which you guys would have seen. They just put on a whatever thing that they squeeze to make your veins pop out, and they just made me squeeze the little blood guy, the little blood squeeze ball, and then they inserted the needle. They take a couple of vials to test your blood, and then they take 500 mils, which seems like a lot because it is a lot. Like, I think this is only like 300, so sorry if you're squeamish, but yeah, it was honestly, it was genuinely no more painful than a regular blood test. I know a lot of people said to me that they were worried about, really was trying to avoid getting so graphic, but I had a lot of people worried that you'd be able to feel like the blood coming out because it's so much, but honestly it felt no different to a regular blood test. Would recommend it to anybody that is not like, you know, phobic or afraid of needles. If you are able, I would highly recommend doing it. I'm going to be doing it again in 3 months. I've already picked which one I'm going to, like I'm going to book in. This is what the package looks like. The little logo is so cute. I feel bad destroying the packaging. It's packaged it so nicely. Open this together. Ta-da! What? See ya. Anyway, she sent through, oh my gosh, look at how pretty this one is.
It's like perfect.
Oh my goodness. So she sent, I'm assuming this is just for the PR, but there's a rose quartz. I don't know anything about crystals, but it's a little thing here that tells me how to charge it. You're not allowed to touch it because it's got my energy.
Okay, yeah.
That is so beautiful. Crystal, thank you so much. As in like, I'm thanking you, Crystal Conti, not the crystal itself. So pretty. Anyway, let's look at what you guys actually want to see, which is the product. Hold on, I need to put you on something because you're too low. You're just looking at my nostrils. So Quartz Beauty has sent me 6 of their lash styles. I'm not sure how many they have. I'll have to look it up, but oh my god, they're so pretty. Why are my eyes so small? There is Amethyst, which looks like that. These ones will be too big for my eyes, but they're beautiful. They're called Moonstone. These ones are up my alley. These are called Jade. They're nice and small for my little beady ass eyes. Amber, which are like stunning. Oh, another pair for little eyes, Rose. I like these ones. And then the last pair is Sapphire. These look so beautiful. Now these are handmade from 100% human hair. I'm very excited, thank you so much. And then this is a little Quartz Beauty bag. I'm going to assume there's brushes inside. I mean, it feels like it, but the bag itself. Oh my goodness. Sweet mother. I feel like this must be their whole brush line. Crystal, you are seriously too generous. Got a whole set of brushes here. Let's just pick a few to like stroke. Foundation.
They look so pretty.
Foundation buffer. So this is what they look like. They've got the pink handle, the rose gold ferrule, I think it's called. I think it's an 18-piece brush set. So you can get the package that I got for $199.95, or you can buy just the brushes in the bag. You can buy the brushes individually. You can buy the lashes individually. But yeah, they are cruelty-free brushes, and obviously the lashes are cruelty-free because they're made from human hair. I'm assuming humans wouldn't be cruel to humans. You guys, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Crystal. Congratulations on Quartz Beauty. If you guys want to check out Quartz Beauty, I'll leave a link down below. So this is dinner for tonight because I seriously have been feeling so sick all day. I don't really feel like eating anything, but for some reason pizza sounds good, so I'm probably gonna have like half of this and then Corby can have the rest for his leftovers, but we'll see how I go. I've just been feeling really just crap, but I think this will bring me back to life. Hey guys, it is Wednesday and I am feeling 1,000 times better. I was just feeling so rubbish yesterday. I just had a very funny tummy. The main thing that I'm sad about is that I didn't do my cardio yesterday, so I won't be able to do like a full month of cardio. I'll be able to do 30 days, but it won't be like a perfect month, which really sucks. But there was no way that I was going to go out of the house for 20 minutes and move my body, because that would have just been extremely risky business when you have a funny tummy. So yeah, I am feeling like a million times better. I barely ate anything yesterday. Well, for me, I had like my breakfast, which was good. This is my gym outfit of the day, by the way. So I'm wearing my little home crop from Kmart. Now, I don't want to wear it tight. I actually wanted it to cover my belly today, but I washed it with the tie in, so it's all crinkled, so I have to wear it like this. I'll just keep pulling it down. And then these are the ombre leggings that I tried to wear yesterday, but I literally just drove to my parents' house and then came home. I didn't actually go to the gym in them. I feel like they've got too much fabric around my crotch. Since I've lost weight, I don't know whether I stretch them or if I need to go down a size. I think it might be a bit of both, but there's just a lot more fabric like around here, but that's okay. I got the faux AliExpress, I feel like this is tilted down. Anyway, I got the fake AliExpress ones in a small, which is supposed to be a Gymshark extra small, so we shall see. So I just got home from being in the city and everything, and I went to my parents' house because I bought this off of Trade Me. I was actually going to buy these from Gymshark. Now they retail at 55 Australian on the Gymshark website, so that's roughly like 60-ish New Zealand. Yeah, 60-ish New Zealand. I got these for $49 on Trade Me, including postage, but they're like brand new. She only tried them on, so I was like, helleth yes. They match the bra that I bought in my last haul. I can't remember if I showed you guys it, but anyway, they're the slouch ribbon bottoms. Far out, these look tight. We'll see. I'm gonna try them on for you, but the reason why they're called ribbon is because they've got like a little tie. I will go try on the full set for you guys, and then I will be right back. I feel like there's a lot going on in this region, so let me just show you the top separately. So I bought this one from Gymshark, which is a shame because like after I bought it and received it, the chick who sold these sold the top on Trade Me. So I love the top. You can see the bralette, it's really, really cute. These are just a really strange fabric. I do like them, like I love the way, you guys won't be able to see, oh, you can kind of tell. I love the way they fit through the leg, but I just don't know what's happening up here. Can you see that? Like they look nice on the bum. I love the way they fit. They're supposed to be like for at home, but I don't know what this is. I hate this. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be like a cute little ribbon. I'm gonna take the ribbon out. I do like these, don't get me wrong, they're real comfy and the length is very flattering, and I love the little thingy down here. I just don't quite understand why there's so much fabric here, but I could not have gone down a size. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, there's not a lot of stretch in this fabric, but they are cute, they're just not cute here. Good morning, it is Thursday, and as you guys can see, I just got back from the gym. I did a class. I used to do this class, well, used to. I did it like 3 times, but I did it back at the start of last year. Like not a lot, but I did it like quite a few times in like succession or whatever, and it's just like a cardio class with a step, and I really enjoy it. Like I genuinely love doing it. I find it really fun. It like kills me, as you guys can clearly see. I'm like dead, but I found it a lot easier than I used to, which is good. Like I used to find it really challenging, and I still find it really challenging, but in saying that I found it really challenging, I mean like I used to think I was going to pass out, whereas now I kind of kept up for majority of the time. The only part that I really struggle with is the abs. I have really weak abs, so that's something I need to work on. Maybe my next 30-day challenge should be ab focused. If you guys have any ideas, please let me know. But anyway, this is the workout like roundup or whatever. As you can see, my heart rate was really high, so many calories burned, and look at those steps in like less than 60 minutes. And I think like the last 10 minutes you're like lying down, so that's in like 30 minutes. That's how many steps I did, which is crazy. Since you guys last saw me, I have streamed and I've eaten at least a meal or 2. I don't really remember when I last filmed, but now I'm about to do the most annoying thing ever, and that is sort through all of my makeup that I have in these bags that I don't know what is old, what is new, what is off, what is unopened, and I'm going to put some stuff together to do a giveaway for you guys. I'm just covering up my address on this package, but we've got the 2 bags here to give to my family. This is for giveaways, and then that is for myself.
This was outside. Smoking in the dark.
What's up, guys? It is Friday. I was like Thursday. No, it's Friday. And I'm just feeling really blah at the moment. I'm trying to figure out where to sit, so I just want to sit and talk to you guys for a sec. Hold on. I feel like the camera's probably crooked right now because I'm getting used to using the GorillaPod still, but I am just not feeling 100%. So it's like 11. Yeah, it's 11. So I went to the gym this morning, and most of the gym classes start at 9:30, and I was like super excited to go to the gym this morning and do yoga, but yoga started at 9 and I got there at like 20 past 9, and I was like, I'm not going in 20 minutes late. So I just did some like really basic and like, ow, I just punched myself in the face, really basic and like super duper easy booty exercises, and then I was like, I'm gonna go and walk on the treadmill just for my cardio today, because I just really was not in the mood, because I was like super mad that I'd missed doing yoga, you know. Anyway, so then I like went, and I was like about halfway through, and I was like, oh, I do not feel very good, and I had to go to the toilet, and I will spare you the gory details. But ever since I was not feeling very well on Tuesday, I have just had the funniest tummy. I'll let you guys draw conclusions from what I'm meaning when I say that, but I don't know what's wrong with me. My stomach is just not happy at all about life, and I've just planned out what I want to do today, which for the most part is just like tidy everything up. I did tidy up the other day, but we live in the house, you know, like when you live somewhere, it gets messy. So I just need to like realign everything, make sure everything's looking nice and tidy. I want to maybe do a load of washing. I don't really know. I don't really have an appetite, which is when I know that I'm sick, because I always have an appetite. Like when I got my wisdom teeth out, I've told you guys the story before, but like a couple of days after getting my wisdom teeth out, when my jaw was like still like couldn't open more than that, I went and ate a steak and just like shoved it in my mouth with my fingers. Like nothing will stop me from eating, but I feel real sick and just like blah. Dinner. Yeah, and here's Tom and Emily. Woo! Mine, Hazel's, and then none for Emily.